Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. And as you can see right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. I was using it for above half an hour and most of the time I've spent on the settings. As you can see we've got also the unlocks and the notifications count, and basically we've got two different ways to check some further details. So we can tap inside this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard which will show us how much time we've spent on the screen in particular days of the week. Of course we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened if you want to. And the second way to check some details is to tap directly on the app. So for example the settings, phone, camera, etc. Just tap on it and again we've got the dashboard. Again we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and daily to hourly, but as you can see it is right now tightly connected with this particular app. So basically this is how to check the screen time in this device. However, here we've got the ways to disconnect and just a few words about them. So basically if you really need the time for yourself and you need to rest and you don't want to be disturbed, then I highly recommend to set, for example, the focus mode, where you will be able to set particular days and the hours, and in that time your device will simply hide some notifications, will limit them, so we will not be disturbed. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.